Hello friends, welcome back to the Bull Talk. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic that can completely change the way you think about trading. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Jesse Livermore, the trader who changed the way people think about trading. Jesse Livermore is one of the most famous traders in the history of the stock market. Even after more than 100 years, traders around the world still read about him and learned from his ideas. Many people believe that he was one of the greatest traders who ever lived. He did not become successful because he had special technology or secret information. He became successful because he understood the market and, more importantly, he understood human emotions. Jesse Livermore was born in 1877 in the United States. When he was a young boy, he loved numbers. He also liked watching how prices moved. At the age of 14, he left home and started working in a stock brokerage office. His job was very simple. He wrote stock prices on a board as they changed during the day. While doing this job, he noticed something interesting. He saw that stock prices often moved in patterns. Day after day, he watched these price movements. Slowly, he started understanding how the market behaved. He learned by observing, not by guessing. When he was still a teenager, he started trading with his own small amount of money. At first, he made good profits. Later, he became one of the richest traders in America. But his journey was not easy. He made millions of dollars, lost everything, became rich again, and then lost everything again. His life teaches us that making money is difficult, but keeping money is even more difficult. One of Jesse Livermore's biggest lessons was very simple. The market is always right. This does not mean the market is perfect. It means the market does not care about your opinion or my opinion. You may think the price should go higher. Someone else may think the price should go lower, but the market will move in its own direction. Instead of arguing with the market, Jesse Livermore said we should simply accept what the market is showing us. If the market is moving up, do not keep looking for reasons why it should fall. If the market is moving down, do not keep hoping it will suddenly rise. Follow the market instead of fighting it. Another important lesson from Jesse Livermore was follow the trend. This is one of the oldest and most powerful rules in trading. If prices are moving higher, look for buying opportunities. If prices are moving lower, be careful or look for selling opportunities if your trading method allows it. Many beginners try to buy at the lowest price and sell at the highest price. They want to catch every top and every bottom. Jesse Livermore believed this is one of the biggest mistakes. Nobody knows the exact top or bottom. Instead, wait until the trend becomes clear. Then trade in the same direction. One of his most famous quotes is, "The big money is not in the buying or the selling. The big money is in the waiting." This lesson is very important. Many traders think taking more trades will make more money. This is not true. Real money comes from waiting for the best opportunity. When you find a good trade, stay patient. Do not close it too early just because you become nervous. Good trades need time to grow. Patience is one of the biggest reasons why professional traders succeed. Jesse Livermore also believed in cutting losses quickly. He knew that every trader loses money. Sometimes, there is no trader in the world who wins every trade. Losses are normal. The problem begins when traders refuse to accept a small loss. Instead of closing the trade, they hope, they pray, they wait. Sometimes the market keeps moving against them. A small loss becomes a big loss. Jesse Livermore said it is always better to accept a small loss than to suffer a huge one. He also gave another important rule. Let your profits grow. Many traders do the opposite. When they make a small profit, they close the trade immediately because they are afraid of losing it. But when they have a losing trade, they keep holding it, hoping it will recover. This habit slowly destroys a trading account. Successful traders do something different. They close losing trades quickly. They allow winning trades to continue. This simple habit can completely change a trader's results. Another thing Jesse Livermore never liked was averaging down. Imagine you buy a stock for $100. Instead of going up, it falls to $90. Many people buy more shares because they think they are getting a cheaper price. Jesse Livermore believed this was dangerous. If the market is already proving your trade wrong, adding more money only increases your risk. He preferred adding more money only after the trade started making a profit. This way, he added to strength, not weakness. He also believed that fear and greed are the two biggest enemies of every trader. Fear makes people close good trades too early. Fear also stops traders from taking good opportunities. Greed creates different problems. Greed makes traders risk too much money. Greed makes traders ignore their stop loss. Greed makes traders believe they cannot lose. Both fear and greed lead to poor decisions. That is why Jesse Livermore always said traders should stay calm and follow their trading plan. Another lesson was, never trade because someone gives you a tip. Many people buy stocks because a friend tells them to buy. Others follow YouTube videos, WhatsApp messages, Telegram groups, or social media posts. Jesse Livermore believed this is a very bad habit. He said every trader should learn to study the market and make their own decisions. If you always depend on other people, you will never become a confident trader. He also believed that protecting your money is more important than making money. Before entering any trade, decide how much money you are willing to lose. Never risk too much on one trade. A trader who protects capital can always trade another day. A trader who loses everything has no chance to recover. Another lesson was that you do not need to trade every day. Many beginners think they must always be in a trade. This is not true. Some days the market does not give good opportunities. On those days, waiting is the smartest decision. Doing nothing is sometimes the best trade. Jesse Livermore also believed that traders should learn from their mistakes. He admitted that many of his biggest losses happened because he broke his own rules. He knew the right thing to do, but sometimes emotions became stronger than discipline. This teaches us that knowing the rules is not enough. You must also follow them every single day. He believed that discipline is more important than intelligence. You do not need to be the smartest person in the room. You do not need the most expensive software. You do not need hundreds of indicators. You simply need a good trading plan and the discipline to follow it. Simple rules followed every day are much better than complicated rules that nobody follows. Jesse Livermore also explained that the market moves because of human emotions. People become excited when prices rise. People become scared when prices fall. People become greedy during bull markets. People panic during crashes. These emotions have stayed the same for hundreds of years. That is why market charts often look similar, even after many decades. He also advised traders to keep a trading journal. After every trade, write down why you entered the trade, why you excited the trade, whether you followed your rules, how you felt during the trade. After a few months, you will start seeing your mistakes clearly. This simple habit can improve your trading faster than learning new indicators. One of Jesse Livermore's strongest beliefs was that patience creates profits. Many people enter the market because they want quick money. They trade all day. They take every small move. But Jesse Livermore believed that the best opportunities come only a few times. Successful traders wait patiently for those moments. When the right opportunity comes, they act with confidence. Jesse Livermore's own life teaches another valuable lesson. Even though he became one of the richest traders in America, he also lost everything several times because he stopped following his own rules. This reminds us that success is not about knowing what is right. Success comes from doing the right thing every single day. Today, the market is very different. We have mobile phones, we have computers, we have fast internet, we have artificial intelligence, we have advanced trading software. But one thing has never changed: human emotions. People still feel fear, people still become greedy, people still become impatient, people still make emotional decisions. That is why Jesse Livermore's lessons are still useful today. In the end, Jesse Livermore wanted every trader to remember a few simple rules. Follow the trend. Keep your losses small. Let your profits grow. Protect your money. Do not risk too much on one trade. Stay patient. Control your emotions. Follow your trading plan. Learn from your mistakes. Keep improving every day. If you follow these simple rules, you will already be better than most traders. The biggest secret of trading is not a magical indicator or a secret strategy. The real secret is controlling yourself. As Jesse Livermore believed, the biggest battle in trading is not against the market. The biggest battle is against your own fear, greed, and emotions. When you learn to control yourself, you take the first step toward becoming a successful trader. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Bull Talk. See you in the next video. Thank you.